Aloha!
Hello!
So where are we today, Nita?
Just stop there for a minute.
We're stopping.
Just listening. I'm listening to the bird calls.
That's a tea towel. Isn't it?
Go on.
I can't
What's the
remember.
joke?
I can't remember. Anyway, let's give a point today, Nita. What's the point today? We're out walking. It's 1st of November tomorrow. And we're out just having a bit of fresh air, eh? Again.
We've done a load of work this morning, haven't we? Been on a webinar.
Yeah.
Been on Dan's sorting a few things out.
Dan the man.
Started another campaign off, haven't we?
Yeah, going to the USA and Ireland.
And then what else have we done? Oh, with various bits for the family because we've got a few birthdays coming up, haven't we? So we've been getting presents and cards ready.
Paid our deposit for Christmas Day.
Yes, because we're going out for Christmas Day.
Yeah, we stayed in last year and it was a bit of a disaster, as Craig would say.
We normally, we've been in the restaurant trade for a number of years, haven't we? So we do like to go out and spoil ourselves. Yeah. So we are again this year now, so that'd be nice. Yeah. So we've decided, as of tomorrow, us two are going to try and get fit, aren't we?
I feel a lot fitter because I've given up the ale for the last 30 days and I've managed to do it within this 90-day journey. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better for it actually. There we go. Yeah.
So what, you're feeling fitter?
Yeah, so I'm feeling a lot fitter. So what's our value? Should we stop walking? Because I can't talk and walk.
We're having a walk through the woods.
I know, in the middle of nowhere here. Good job it's not getting dark, isn't it?
I grew up walking all through these woods.
I know, the trolls of the woods.
Nice memories.
I'll show you the trees here. Let's spin this way. Look at all this here. I
used to walk to school through these woods.
Oh,
I'm back again of a night.
Here's my little troll woman.
Oh, you little.
Yeah. Put it down there for Nita.
Too dark now.
Too dark. Spin it round. There we go. So.
Yes, so we are trying to get fitter as of, today started with a walk, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But we're going to try and get fitter starting tomorrow properly. So you're getting a rebounder, aren't you?
Yeah, getting a bouncing machine.
Like a little bouncy trampoline. We used to do it years ago, didn't we? Didn't half get you fit.
Yeah, it's good. Especially if you put the music on loud as well, and you tend to bounce a bit higher and a bit faster. Anything at our ages now to gain a bit of advantage. I've dropped about a quick half a stone in weight, haven't I?
You have. You've dropped easily, yeah.
Yeah, just not drinking for 30 days.
And I'm struggling. Yeah. I'm really struggling, but I'll have to just up the exercise.
Yeah.
So there we go.
So it doesn't come easy now, all this exercise malarkey.
No, we're of a certain age now, aren't we, where the weight doesn't come off without really, really working for it. So it's all right doing the low-calorie foods, isn't it, like Slimming World and stuff, but not the having to tonk the exercise now, which I'm not very keen about. But I'd rather be out in the woods and stuff.
I might go vegetarian soon as well.
Vegetarian?
Yeah, might do.
We more or less are anyway, because we have a lot of corn, don't we now?
Yeah, I don't know what's in corn.
I did Google it the other day, I
don't think there's much goodness in that stuff really.
It's protein, isn't it? It's a lot of protein.
Yeah, yeah. So there you go, people.
I'm going to carry on with my walk anyway.
We're carrying on with our walk.
Are you walking and talking, or are you finished now?
I think we're finished now. How long has it been going? 3 minutes? 4 minutes? Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, so what's the value today?
We're on a good angle here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Camera's on.
There you go. Yeah, there's another angle. Hello, there's Wally. Hey. There you go. What are we going to say? End it, Nita. You're good at this.
I don't know what to say. I've lost it.
Yeah. We're just out in the woods, barking about. Anyway.
Enjoying ourselves.
We'll catch you again.